Okay, so today we will talk about job redesign from job analysis. So this is the steps that we had last week. The last was job design. You have the company strategy, and then you have the company long-term goals, and then you have HR strategy, organization structure, workflow analysis, job analysis, and job design. But actually, a job can be redesigned. So meaning when you design a job, you can study it and then analyze it and then realize that you can do it better. So that's job redesign. Definition: job redesign is to coordinate the job processes. And the company wants to coordinate the job processes in order to provide maximum value for the company, in order to make it more efficient and save money and earn money at the same time. Okay, for example, a company rotates employees in the research and development department to the marketing department, or an employer may decide to hire mature workers to work in customer service because they look more friendly. Mature workers are also more patient, and they are able to resolve conflicts better because of experience. In the States, in Walmart, they have senior citizens or old people as greeters to say hi to the customers. As you can see here, older people have bigger smiles. They are happy with their jobs. They're happy to still be functioning, and customers will be more patient with them because they will not disrespect older people, just like they do not disrespect their grandparents. There are 5 techniques to job design. You have job simplification. For example, when you order a pizza, from the moment that the customer calls up to the delivery, what are the steps that can be removed from this process, from the customer call up to the delivery? Small steps count a lot, such as maybe the delivery man can put the pizza inside the box so that he can go straight to his car and deliver, or straight to his moto and deliver. One step that can be eliminated can be a big help for the company. And then you have job enlargement. This is sometimes called job expansion. This is when you have the receptionist and they also answer calls, and they also make outgoing calls, and they also say hi to the patient, just like a receptionist in the clinic. Okay, so they do multiple things, as you can see in this picture. They receive the patient, and then they welcome them, make them sit down, get them ready for their appointment, and then as soon as they finish with the dentist or the doctor, they give the paper for the medicine, and they also accept cash payments, and they prepare everything for the patient to go home. They also greet them bye-bye, and they make sure to set the next appointment if necessary, such as the dentist. So in this case, we see that the receptionist does many things. They actually do more things than the dentist or the doctors themselves, so that the healthcare professionals can just focus on their jobs and treating the patient. And then you have job enrichment. Sometimes this is called vertical job expansion, where you have the cashier. They can also do the purchasing because they actually see what's selling and what's not. They know what quantities to buy, what sizes. And most importantly, they interact face to face with the customers, and they receive the questions, the product inquiries that the customers want and need. The customers will always say, do you have this? Do you have that? And the cashier will be the one to know what these things are, because they are, once again, in front of the customer, and they know real time what the customers want and what they need. And so when they do the purchasing, it is real time based on what the customers are asking them at the cashier lane when they are checking out. job rotation. That's when you have your employees regularly rotate to different positions so that they can understand how to do each other's job. This is important, especially when someone is absent. And the last one is a team building technique. So you can have a goal where the whole company rallies around it. For example, if there's perfect attendance, they get money. If one person in the company is late, or in the department, one company is late or absent, they get no reward. So that's the company-oriented goals. And so this is job redesign, and the main purpose of job redesign is to coordinate the job processes as mentioned earlier. To summarize, we do job redesigns in order to make an existing job better, and the 5 techniques to job redesign are job simplification, job enlargement, job enrichment, job rotation, and team building. These are the 5 techniques that you can redesign jobs, and we do them for several reasons: to increase company efficiency and also to boost employee morale, and it's a great way for training and to spread knowledge and experience with different parts of the job among employees. They get to know different aspects of the job and their company, and most importantly, the customers. And that is our lesson for today on job redesign. This is Professor Ryan Gutierrez. Thank you very much.